doing? I don't like the car, at least you're not crying like you're throwing all the way to that. What's the sense of going where are you going? Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Pop, pop, pop. I mean, if you can get in that lane now.
No, I can't. It's going on right now.
We've got red light. Oh, the truck went through.
Taxi did too.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Video protected.
Tomorrow mainly fine, but chance of an evening shower, a high of 14 degrees.
Bargain chemist. Get your free prescriptions and bargains today.
Streaming live on iHeart, smart speakers, and on radio. Video protected. Video protected.
I think it's
Oh yeah! I'm saying that.
interesting conversation for us to have.
Oh, Miss Lux.
Yeah. No.
Oh my!
Video protected.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Oh my!
You just went on a red light, dude.
The Big W Big Whopping Toy Sale is on now, featuring over 500 toys that you can lay by.
Do you click and collect the calls like thousands of
Okay,
Aussies
let's
do?
see how many
It's
people will go
free.
straight in
Choose
that
a
place.
time.
And there we
And
go.
2 p.m.
There's
for
a
collection
freaking
same
sign
day.
above us saying this is a turning
Red line
lane.
speed camera.
Minimum spend $50 excludes right click and collect. T's and C's apply.
These are the sounds of the island. This is Smooth FM.
Kid, shut your fucking door.
Oh dear me. What the fuck's happened here?
Well, you can't park there, mate.
Hey, leave the comedy to me.
He might be able to get his full drive.
The massive... What about you got at the thing? Where are you going? You can't go down there. What are you doing? Oh my god, this is brutal. Oh shit, she hit the wall. Oh.
You want hard, cold, sick bitch, you know that?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Fuck me!
Yeah. Like what? Just like power tool batteries? Like no, I feel like big lithium batteries in it because they're killing gas ovens, air gas stoves. Yeah. So an induction is like everyone shits on electric stoves, right?
Visit brainfoundation.org.au or call 1300 88 660. There's nothing better than good hard steel. Strong, reliable steel that never lets you down. And Handy Steel Supplies have been the home of good hard steel since...
Oh, for the love of God, you gotta be kidding me!
I'm not shitting on you.
Fuck! Every fucking time I come here, fuck me! Sorry.
Todd, we forgive you.
Left. Someone didn't. Hello, we got a U-turn, look. Illegal U-turn. Because there's no sign there saying U-turns allowed.
What the heck? Oh dear. Ooh, crash. Crunchy.
Oh no, I reckon this tyre's got pinched. That's what it'll be. Someone robbed him.
Don't do that.
Asshole.
On the left. Idiot.
Just creep through the red. Scotty, the dickheads are out. It's not even a ranger.
Brace yourself! Ah!
The fuck? With my skin tan and my hair long. Yeah, that one does.
What are you doing, you idiot? Fucking moron.
Dash cam.
You've got your lights on, you fool.
What the hell is that?
What the fuck?
Because you didn't want to wait in the fucking traffic. Oh, you fucking cocksucker. Don't let him in! You prick! Are you serious? Jesus!
If you're lying to me, you'll never get your daughter back. Video protected. Classics like
Fucking hell, go ahead, man. Yep.
Well, again, I'm not encouraging, we are not encouraging anyone to do that, but we encourage you.
And most of these products cannot be set on fire if you hold them to open flame.
Let's not try that. Let's just take you at their word or whatever's happening here. Let's not start any fires.
But anyway, back to Mando's. You can be a cheeky Mando.
Look out, duck. Oh, ducks.